Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Today I want to share with you a DIY that I did. It was quick, it was in a hurry, and I just want to tell you that what I did was I used these metallic mirrors. Remember I was at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and I bought these metallic mirrors, and they had them in the silver, and they also had them in the gold, and I think they had a pink. So I was only able to get two golds, but that'll suffice for now. And all I needed was a vase, but my vase was not this color. My vase was like a clear glass. But you could do something with this as well. I don't know if I want to cover up the pink color, but I know you can do something with this as well. So I was really happy when I saw these. I said, ooh, ooh. But you know, I said, ooh, ooh, look at that. But what I really was looking for was that bling embellishment that you put on a DIY. So this is my latest DIY. And all you have to do, once you get it all blinged out, is just sit some flowers in it. So I'm going to show you the one I did. Look at that. I hold it here. Look at that. Look how nice it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? It was simple. I finished maybe in 5 minutes. I finished it maybe like in 5 minutes. Look at that. That's beautiful for fall. And I just put these fall artificial flowers in here. And it came out really good. I think it did. And this is like nice and beautiful. Yep, this is a nice little beautiful sight for sore eyes. All right, guys, so I just wanted to share this with you. You know, I like to share all my DIYs. I have to share another one with you that I did. But this is the one that I've, the latest that I've completed. Let's see if I can go up a little bit higher or hold this up. So, nah, I'm not doing any justice to it. All right, so I have to show it to you like this. I think it looks really, really pretty. All right. And this is the first one I've made using this mirror mosaic stickers. And I will be making more. All right? Because you can do all kinds of things using this mosaic stickers. These mosaic stickers. All right, guys. Love you much. Remember to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. That's the thumbs up. Press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Share the video with your friends. Show them something that they can make. Nice and easy. You could even give this as a gift. And I bought some filler. If I wanted to, I could have put filler in here and it could hang over the sides, but I didn't do that. I just wanted to see how I would fare doing this DIY. And I think I fared pretty good. Okay, guys, love you much. Don't forget to subscribe again. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.